rajas cremosas mexicanas. So if you like creamy food, you guys are gonna love this dish. Let's start by roasting 6 poblano peppers until they're nice and charred. After you allow the poblanos to sweat for a few minutes, you can start removing the stem, the roasted skin, and the seeds. Now you can start slicing them into little strips. Place your burner on a medium heat and drizzle a little bit of olive oil. Add half of a large onion, and you want to continue to cook until your onions are nice and soft. That should take you about 4 minutes. Once your onions get translucent, you're going to go ahead and add 2 garlic cloves, your Poblano peppers, and 1 heaping tablespoon of butter. Give that a loving mix and set your burner on a medium-low heat. Add 1 cup of corn and give that a loving mix. 1 cup of Mexican crema, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, or you can use some salt. Once you combine all your ingredients, you're gonna add your desired amount of melty white cheese. I'm using Queso Chihuahua today. Mozzarella works, Queso Oaxaca. You just wanna sprinkle that over the top. Add a little pepper and continue to cook on a low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes. And boom, done. Some delicious rajas cremosas mexicanas. So if you like creamy food, you guys are gonna love this dish. Before I serve your delicious rajas, let me show you how I like to pair this recipe. I used 2 large chicken breasts, I butterflied them, and then I pounded them until they were nice and flat. Last time I made this recipe, my kids loved this buttery Kinder's Steakhouse seasoning, and that's what I'm gonna be using today. You can use whatever seasoning you like, and I'm also gonna leave a suggestion for you in the description area. As you can see, when I use the Kinder seasoning, I get really happy and excited, but a little bit goes a long way. Has really good flavor and it really does pull through. Once you season your chicken, you're gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then you just wanna make sure that all the sides are coated. It's usually best if you allow your chicken to set with the seasonings for about 10 minutes, but if you're in a rush, guess what? Even 1 minute will transform this chicken. Place your burner on a medium-high heat and allow your griddle to warm up for a good 3 minutes. And you want to continue to cook for 3.5 minutes on each side, or until you see the broth is coming out clearly. So you don't have to stress too much over making dinner. You can get it done in less than 25 minutes.